Welcome to MCQ practice for Information Technology CS Certificate Level Exam. This episode covers serial number 81 to 90 of my total MCQ collection, and the questions are from chapter 3 of the syllabus. Let's start the practice with MCQ 81. The primary function of a magnetic hard disk drive is to store data or to transfer data. Which one is correct answer? The primary function of a magnetic hard disk drive is to store data or to transfer data. The correct answer is option A. To store data is the primary function of a magnetic hard disk drive. Next question. Commonly, the material used in the core of an electromagnet is copper or iron. Which one is correct answer? Commonly, the material used in the core of an electromagnet is copper or iron. The correct answer is B, iron. Iron is used in the core of an electromagnet commonly. Question 83. Which of the following devices use magnetic fields to operate? Electric motor or LED bulb? Which one is correct answer? Which of the following devices use magnetic field to operate? Electric motor or LED bulb? The correct answer is A. Electric motor use magnetic fields to operate. Question 84. What is the main principle behind the working of transformer? Electromagnetic induction or optical reflection? Which one is the correct answer? What is the main principle behind the working of transformer? Electromagnetic induction or optical reflection? The correct answer is A. Electromagnetic induction is the main principle behind the working of transformer. Question 85. How is the data stored by a magnetic device? Option A, modifying magnetic fields. Option B, altering optical signals. Which one is the correct answer? How is the data stored by a magnetic device? Option A, modifying magnetic fields. Option B, altering optical signals. Correct answer is A, modifying magnetic fields is the way to store data by a magnetic device. Question 86. Which statement is true? Option A, permanent magnet needs to be recharged regularly. Option B, permanent magnet retains its magnetism without external power. We have to find out the true statement among these two. Option A, permanent magnet needs to be recharged regularly. Option B, permanent magnet retains its magnetism without external power. Which one is correct answer? The true statement is B, permanent magnet retains its magnetism without external power. Question 87. The unit of magnetic flux density is ampere or Tesla. The unit of measurement of magnetic flux density is option A, ampere, option B, Tesla. Which one is correct answer? The correct answer is B, Tesla is the unit of magnetic flux density measurement. Question 88. Which of the following device uses a magnetic field to read or write data? Option A, flash drive. Option B, magnetic strip card. We have to find out the device among these two which uses a magnetic field to read or write data. The correct answer is option B, magnetic strip card uses a magnetic field to read or write data. Question 89. Which component in a computer uses magnetism to store information? Option A, hard disk drive. Option B, motherboard. Which component among hard disk drive and motherboard in a computer uses magnetism to store information? The correct answer is A. Hard disk drive uses magnetism to store information. Last question of this episode, number 90. USB stick is magnetic storage device or semiconductor storage device? We have to answer whether USB stick is a magnetic storage device or a semiconductor storage device. The correct answer is B. USB stick is semiconductor storage device. Thank you very much.